Students, how are you? First time we have started in online classes the chapter. I hope you all are understanding very well. uh, in the last video we have discussed about the summary of the chapter. I hope you have gone through yourself also, because then only you can understand. And then in the first video of this chapter we have discussed one stanza, one paragraph also. I hope you must have revised. Students, until you revise you will not be able to get, because this chapter will also come in your first PA first online test. So be careful about it, and whatsoever you have any queries wheresoever, you please ask accordingly. So let's start the second stanza. Our second goes like this. Guy said, Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Means Tommy was not agree with the views of the Margie. On the first day, we came to know that Tommy got a book, a real book, a book of paper, because they were living in that age where paper book are not needed. They are continuously studying from the online only, like you people nowadays are having. In the same manner, they are also having. And by chance, they got one book suddenly. It was just by chance. So she was unable to agree or ready to agree like that only. So that's why Tommy is replying here. Gi is a word which is showing disagreement, or he also not agree with her. What a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. He was just telling, if you will have a book, simply Tommy is telling to Margie that if you will have a book, so you will simply throw it away, or you don't like it. You don't like the book, I guess. It means he is thinking that if Margie will have the book or the way of reading of the book, so obviously she will throw it away and she will not take care about that. Afterwards, our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. Our television screen would have million of plenty books, because e-books are million in the number. In the internet we can find many and many books. So through e-television we can find many books, as many as we can. And obviously plenty more means enough, more than enough. I wouldn't throw it away. And when I will have those means, if I talk about the online books, so I'm not going to throw them. But if I talk about a paper book, so that time maybe Margie will throw it away. But Tommy is telling, I have many online books, but I'm not going to throw it away. I will keep them safe and I will study them, I will use them, and I will respect the books. Then same with mine. So Margie also replied, don't think about me that I will throw the books. I will be having same with mine also. Said Margie. She was 11. Underline the age of the Margie students. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. Means Tommy is more experienced or elder than Margie, and Margie is hardly 11 years old, and she hasn't seen as many books as Tommy has seen on internet also. He was 13. The age of the Tommy, underline this also. Tommy's age is 13. Student, they are not brother sister, they are just the neighbors nearby. She said, where did you find it? Now Margie is asking to Tommy, it here stand for the book. Where did you find this real book? In my house. Tommy replied, in my house. He pointed without looking, because he was busy reading. He was just reading also, but without looking at her, because he was so busy. He was just pinpointing that I found it in my house. In the attic means in the where the old things are kept, that is known to be attic. Storehouse we used to say it, that's called attic. Okay, so here in my house, he pointed with looking, because he was busy reading in the attic. What's it about? Now the Margie is asking, these lines are used by Margie. Now Margie is asking, what's it about? Means the book is about what, or in another words, what is written in the book. So the answer is given by Tommy, and the answer is school. It means the book is all about school. The book is written means what is the topic has been discussed in the book is, it's school. Fine. Now para, Third, students, I hope you are getting the things. Whatever queries, if still you have, keep on writing. We are moving on the third paragraph of the chapter. Margie was scornful. School. And as soon as Margie heard the word school, so she gave a very, disrespect look. School. I don't like school. Or maybe she's unwilling to like school, like something, because see, she herself don't like to sit in her room, which is known to be a classroom, and to study and all that. That's why as soon as she heard the word school, so she gave a very scornful look, just like, school, I don't like this. It's like that. What's there to write about school? It means I don't like this place at all. And what is there to write about school? It means school is a thing on what we can write something. She don't like this, or she don't agree with this. I hate school. Now finally she gave the statement, she doesn't like school. Then Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. Means earlier also she was hating, and now to she is hating more than that also. Why? The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. Mechanical teacher, like we are not the mechanical teachers here, we are the live teachers to you. But the teachers means the teachers with machine, that known to be mechanical teachers. Teacher, machine teacher. Online teacher is machine teacher for them, and that online teacher is continuously giving her test after test, and the subject is geography. You people, most of the people are running away from SST, social studies, geography and all that, and she is getting every day the test in the geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Worse means too bad, and worse means bad and more bad things she is doing, until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully. Until her mother shaken her head means until she say, Margie, please do something. Margie, please do something. Study, you're not getting good grades. Please do something. It's like until her put her hands on her forehead and her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully like this, head sorrowfully, and sent for the county inspector. County inspector is a person who came there, who will come to Margie's house to check some technical defaults are there with the system of Margie. So maybe she's getting regularly test on geography again and again in the same chapter. Maybe that can be the reason, or some other reason can also be there. For that purpose, her mother has called a county inspector. County inspector is a person who is going to be rectify or correct the problem, whatever the problems are there with this particular system. Why she is getting continuously the bad marks also, and continuously test on geography lessons also. Is there any technical default or anything else? So for that purpose she called. So here ends up this paragraph, students. 2 paragraphs we have finished today. I hope so you would have understand, and the students reread again, advanced reading also, and now this reading also, reread again. And after reading, whatever queries you are having, I'm repeating again, student, this chapter is also a part of your syllabus of your first online test. So take the things very seriously and understand things in a very minute and in a very proper manner, so that you can get good marks. Clear, students? So I hope you are getting everything else. For tomorrow, students, prepare 2 more paragraph, that is the paragraph 4 and paragraph 5. 2 paragraph in one session we are taking. 10 paragraph we have in this chapter. If you can have book, this book, if you can arrange in this lockdown situation also, well and good, because outside it's not available. But in case if your elder sister, brother have at home, then you can arrange or something else over there. Otherwise, ebook which I have given you, that is why 2 paragraph we are taking every day, so that you can note down those paragraph, and keep all the para in the same notebook only, so that step by step you can go through and you will revise the chapter also. Clear, students? I hope you are getting everything else. So thank you very much and enjoy the day. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you very much.